Sinabi ko na naman yan before eh. Inulit ko lang ngayon eh. Diba? Parang wala na akong ibang masabi. Criselle Morales here and welcome back to my channel. So today, I would like to share to you yung ginagawa ko to take care of my hair. Isa kasi sa aking mga kaibigan ang nakapansin na malambot ang buhok ko at manageable ngayon. And most of my friends at saka dun sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, alam nila that I have a wavy hair. Now, bakit daw most of the time malambot yung buhok ko? But most of the time, bakit daw most of the time soft yung hair ko? Now, I would like to share to you tonight kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko to take care of my hair. Lalong-lalo na, I know that I have a wavy hair and sometimes frizzy hair. So, importante na meron ako talagang ginagawa to take care of my hair. So, hair treatment naman ang aking isi-share sa inyo ngayon. Okay, so if you notice, or maybe ako lang yung nakakapansin, yung buhok ko ngayon medyo oily na. Kasi I've done a lot of things. Marami kaming pinuntahan ngayong yung araw na to. So, of course, alikabok, pawis, and everything naiipon sa anit. And eventually, yung hair nagiging oily. Pero, ang focus ko naman ngayon is not the condition of my hair today. Pero, kung ano yung treatment na ginagawa ko to take care of my hair. Now, as what I've said a while ago, maraming nakakakilala sa akin at alam nila na meron akong frizzy hair at saka wavy yung aking hair. As I've mentioned in the past videos that I had, sabi ko hindi na ako magpapareband. And true enough, kasi mas gusto ko ngayon yung treatment na something that will not only make my hair straight, but will also take care of my hair at the same time. Yung treatment na hindi masisira yung hair ko. Yung kasing rebond, of course, after the rebond, mapapansin mo na ulit yung buhok, pakintab yung buhok, malambot yung buhok. At habang nagpapareband nga ako nagpapareband, napapansin ko na numinipis yung buhok ko at saka nasisira na yung buhok ko unti-unti. Nagiging dry, nagiging yung kapag bagong reband kasi siya, of course, as what I've said, makintab, malambot. Pero habang nagtatagal, nagiging brittle yung buhok. Nasisira talaga yung hair, yung magandang texture ng buhok, yung natural moist nawawala na rin. So, I've asked my hair expert sa parlor, tinanong ko sa kanya kung ano ba yung mas maganda na dapat kong gawin or ano ba yung treatment na mas maganda para nang sa ganun hindi masira yung hair. Na you can maintain the softness, you can maintain the shine, you can maintain na straight yung buhok, pero hindi nasisira. And then, he suggested to me, ang sabi niya, Keratin Blowout daw. So, yung Keratin Blowout, yung keratin kasi makes the hair strong. So, i-revive niya, ibabalik niya yung buhay, ibabalik niya yung natural shine ng buhok mo. Now, yung Keratin Blowout or yung Keratin Straight na tinatawag sa parlor is that mauunat din yung buhok pero 75 to 80% lamang. So, kapag na-treat na yung hair mo with keratin, the outcome will be straight siya, pero natural siyang tignan. Most of the time kasi, kapag reband, unat na unat, napakalimp yung buhok, parang ganyan na ganyan. Parang ganyan na. Napakalimp yung hair, so nawawala na yung volume. Now, kapag sa keratin ka nag-depend, at 70 to 80% lamang yung uunatin niya sa buhok mo, at napaka-natural niyang tignan. So, mula noon, sabi ko sa isip ko, o sige, sa keratin treatment na lang ako. Keratin blowout, keratin straight, basta all about keratin and no more rebond. Actually, nung huling-huli, I think, I don't remember how many months ago, before na ginawa ko yung video na sinabi ko na hindi na ako magpapareband, nagpa-regroot pa ako noon. Yung regroot kasi, i-reband nila yung buhok lamang na tumubo. So, kung halimbawa, in the past, rebanded yung buhok mo dito, kasi nagpa-reband ka last year, halimbawa, ngayon humaba na yung hair at meron ng tumubong ganyan. So, yun lamang ang kanilang i-reband. So, ang tawag dun is regroot. So, sabi ko, yun na yung huling araw na magpapareband ako, and from the time na nalaman ko na that Keratin Straight or Keratin Blowout ang mas maganda kaysa reband, I will stick to it. And of course, hindi naman ako nagde-depend lamang sa keratin treatment. Hindi naman ako nagde-depend sa parlor palagi kasi kapag ganun, Diyos ko, ang mahal naman, grabe. Diba? Mahal kasi ang keratin treatment, keratin blowout man yan, o keratin straight man yan, mahal siya. So, dito sa bahay, after I take a bath, after I towel my hair, meron akong ginagamit din to maintain the shine, the softness, at saka para ma-maintain na straight pa rin ang buhok after the keratin treatment, di ba? So, ngayong gabing ito, I would like to share to you yung conditioner na ginagamit ko, at saka yung serum na ginagamit ko pa para ma-maintain yung softness, natural shine ng aking hair. Okay, let us start. Let us dive in. Unang-una, ano ba ang shampoo and conditioner ginagamit ko? Conditioner na ginagamit ko? Well, my shampoo and my conditioner is Tresemme Keratin Shampoo and Conditioner. As what I've said and mentioned in my past video, yun talagang shampoo na nakakapag-soft o nakakabigay ng magandang results sa aking hair because of the keratin na ingredient ng shampoo na yan. Pero as what I've said also, na napakamahal kasi ng Tresemme. However, meron din silang mga, nagda-down price din sila, may mga promo din sila, discounts and everything like that. Pero sabi ko, hahanapin ko yung i-release ng Creamsilk na Triple Keratin. So, bumili na ako. Actually, this is not my first time to buy. This is already the third time na bumili ako nito at third time ko na rin gamitin to because ito yung pangatlong bottle. So, this size is 340 ml and this is 259 pesos. Triple Keratin Rescue. So, anong sabi dito? Okay, let us see. Etong Creamsilk Triple Keratin tames yung rebellious frizzy hair. It also gives life to dullness and restores damaged hair. So, napakaganda yung gagawin ng conditioner na to sa buhok mo. So, nagdepend na ako dito. Pangatlong bottle ko na to and I've seen the result. Napaka-soft ng aking hair. Ayan. So, dahil maganda ang binibigay na result sa akin ng Creamsilk Triple Keratin, I will stick to this. And itry nyo rin, guys. Wala namang masama. Merong mas maliit na tube nito, yung 100 ml at saka 200 ml yata. So, may mga sachet pa sila. So, kung gusto mong itry at you wanna find out kung hiyang sa buhok mo, bumili ka muna ng nakasachet. At kung nakita mo na medyo maganda talaga or hindi lang medyo pero maganda yung result sa hair mo, then you can buy the tube 1, yung mas malaki na. Yung ganito na yung container niya. Okay, pagkatapos kong mag-shampoo and conditioner with this, I towel my hair dry and then pinapahanginan ko siya with electric fan. Hindi na ako nagbo-blower kasi yung heat that comes from the blower also adds dryness to my hair. So sa electric fan na lang ako. So doon na lang ako sa harap ng electric fan to dry my hair. At kapag damp na yung aking buhok, as what I've said, I've been using this for a long period of time. Baliktad. Ito yung L'Oreal na Straight Intense Serum. This is with argan oil. Ito yung kapartner ng aking buhok. Kahit anong Maganda to guys, kahit anong shampoo and conditioner na gagamitin mo dito, right after toweling it dry, and then make sure na damp yung hair, apply this, siguro 2 pump nito, 2 pumps of this, gives you a good result already. All you have to do is distribute yung 2 pumps na yan sa buhok mo. Psh, psh, yan. Huwag ko nang itry. Kasi gumamit na ako kanina. Mahal kasi. This is 346 pesos. Pero this is, ilang ml ba to? 100 ml. At matagal ko naman itong ginagamit. I think ginagamit ko to. Naglalast to sa akin ng 2 to 3 months. Okay, so, do not forget. Itry nyo rin disclaimer lang Of course, I'm talking through my experiences and my testimonies, and I would just like to share it with you kasi ang ganda kasi ng buhok kapag naaalagaan. Alam niyo ba, yung sinabi ko na naman to sa last video ko, sa past video ko, sabi kong ganyan, remember that your hair crowns your beauty, and to be at its best, it needs to be more than just clean. It needs proper conditioning, and I find Creamsilk to be the best conditioner. O, diba? Sinabi ko na naman yan before inulit ko lang ngayon diba? Parang wala na akong ibang masabi. Okay, but anyway, kapag nasa labas ka na at nahahanginan na yung buhok, alikabok, mga usok ng mga sasakyan na yan, plus mainit pa, pagpapawisan ka and all that, mangangamoy yung buhok. So, meron din akong ginagamit, very handy, kasi nakabattle lang siya ng ganito. And this is it. Vitress Hair Freshener. Ang bango nito guys, my goodness, I love the smell. Eto, ang gagawin mo lang dito is to spray on your hair kapag nasa labas ka. It's just like this. Yan. At kung meron kang brush, hair brush na nasa loob ng bag, i-brush mo lang siya. I-brush mo lang yung hair mo. Or, you can use your fingers to brush your hair. So, it's just like ganyan. Para ma-refresh yung hair. At ang bango niya, napaka-fresh talaga ng smell. Ang bango. So, nagdadala talaga ako ng ganito sa loob ng aking bag. Because this is one of my rescue. Ito yung ginagamit kong pang-rescue ng aking hair. Of course, kahit nag-apply na ako nito, halimbawa naligo ka kaninang umaga, kaninang umaga pa yon. So, pag may lakad ka at maghapon ka, nako, yung buhok mo pag uwi, dry na, mabaho na, and all that. Ngayon, kapag meron kang ganito, spray it on your hair once in a while, kahit 2 or 3 times a day, marerefresh yung hair mo, mabango na, soft, and then shiny pa. Diba? Okay, so once again, thank you so much. Kung may mga tanong kayo, please put your comments down below. At saka kung may mga request, ano ba yung gusto nyong malaman pa, just comment down below and I'll be very, 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 very patient to answer them. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe. Thank you so much. And doon sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na. Tap the notification bell to be updated all the time. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.